Hello and welcome to Gatherly. This isn't just another video call or webinar. Gatherly is an immersive digital venue that recreates the feel of in-person events and spontaneous interactions. I'm Gabby, and in this quick tour, I'll show you how to make the most of your time here. Right now, you're on the first floor, listening to this welcome message. Once it's finished, or anytime you're ready to explore, you'll notice a mini map in the top right corner of your screen. Every guest, including you, appears on the map as an avatar. If you uploaded a photo at entry, that's your avatar. Otherwise, your initials will display. You can update this anytime from the More menu in the main toolbar. Getting around is simple. Gatherly, just click or tap anywhere on the map and watch your avatar move there. As a tip, dragging won't work, so always click or tap. As you navigate, Gatherly's spatial technology brings the venue to life. Approaching a table or booth automatically places you inside it. Walking up to other attendees creates a huddle on the map, and video feeds pop up on the left side of your screen. This makes it easy to enjoy spontaneous conversations and real networking on your own time. Along the bottom toolbar, you'll find your core controls, camera and mic, on-off closed captions, conversation lock for private chats. During today's event, your host may launch a floor-specific or event-wide broadcast. When this happens, the map will temporarily disable, and the broadcast will appear, just like this welcome video. You can still chat by text, but live huddles and 1.1s resume once you're back in map mode. Gatherly venues aren't limited to one space. Events can include up to 100 floors and 3,500 concurrent guests. To explore, click the elevator button beneath the map, then select your destination floor. Note: while the elevator directory is open, chat channels are hidden. Just close it to rejoin the conversation. And that's it. You're ready to explore and make the most of your Gatherly experience. If you need help at any point, simply visit the help desk, where a Gatherly event expert will be happy to assist you one-on-one. Once again, I'm Gabby. Thank you for choosing Gatherly. We're thrilled to have you here, and we can't wait to see the connections you'll make.